You don't need a computer science degree to break into tech. You don't need years of experience. You just need the right training, the right mindset, and the right community. At Clarusway, we've helped thousands of people from all walks of life start new careers in IT. Former teachers, veterans, retail workers, and complete beginners, now working in tech roles they once thought were out of reach. Our programs are built to create real change. With live online classes led by expert instructors, you'll get the structure, accountability, and guidance you need to succeed, no matter your background. You'll gain job-ready skills through hands-on training, real-world projects, and mentorship from experts who've worked in the field. And with career coaching and internship opportunities, you'll graduate with more than just knowledge. You'll graduate with confidence. Clarusway is more than a boot camp. It's a launchpad, a support system, a place where transformation happens. If you're stuck in a job that doesn't fulfill you, if you've been waiting for the right time to reinvent your future, this is your moment. Subscribe, explore our videos, and take the first step. The tech world is changing. With Clarusway, you can change with it.